learners, this is Mrs. Lockey, and I'm going to model for you how to use a research tool called InstaGrok. Your first step is to go to InstaGrok.com, and you're going to log in or set up an account. If you've never used this website before, you would set up an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Okay, and then once you're logged in, you just search a topic. One of your genocides that you could use for your topic is the Bosnian genocide. So I'm going to search Bosnia plus genocide. And a concept map pops up. If you get this warning message, it just tells you to adjust your security settings. I've already done that because I don't see the security shield up at the top. One thing I noticed is that if you click in the center on the topic, more subtopics will pop up sometimes. So I'm going to close this box so I can view all of my subtopics. And I am not very familiar with this genocide, so I might start with just learning about the conflict. And so InstaGrok allows you to build background on a topic by reading a list of key facts. When you've built some background and you're ready to dig deeper with some websites, you can click on websites. And this facts and summary on history.com looks like a good source, so I would open that. One thing you might notice, depending on the security settings on your computer, is the website might open in InstaGrok and not have all of the images viewable, and it's kind of plain. If that happens, just click on the original source, which is this green link at the bottom. And then I have the nice source with all of the images. And I would read through this source, build some background, maybe take some notes. If I end up using this source in my research project and I have to cite it later with EasyBib, I'm going to make sure that I have the URL for the original source, which I just highlighted at the top, which is history.com. One thing that InstaGrok does is it opens up the website within InstaGrok sometimes, and this URL you would not want to cite, or you would not want to use when you're using EasyBib, because it's not the original source. It's embedded in InstaGrok. So I'm going to close this. And maybe another topic I'm interested in is crimes. And if you're more of a visual learner, there's videos, images. I wouldn't spend a lot of time looking at videos and images today, but it's there to help you build background. Now, before you decide on your topic today, you may want to explore more than one genocide from your list of 6 genocide topics. Another one that I'm interested in is the Darfur genocide, and so I would do the same process with this genocide. I've got my key facts, got my websites. This website, Teacher Scholastic, looks like a good source. Here it opened the whole source within InstaGrok. Just remember, if you are going to cite this source, do not use the URL that is embedded in InstaGrok, because that's not the original source. There it is again. That's not the original source, the URL up here, but right below it is the link to the original source. So if you want to read it, it's usually larger on the original source, and the original source is what